hope you're feeling better. Well, you still do look a little pale.
Oh wait, I'm gonna sneeze.
Amy, where did you go?
Choo!
Where did you go?
Somewhere scary.
Dun dun dun.